Welcome to Knowledge Sharing AI Series, Episode 7, AI for Everyday Work and Productivity. What is AI productivity? AI productivity means using artificial intelligence tools to help us complete tasks faster, more efficiently, and sometimes better. Think of AI as a smart assistant. It can help us with routine tasks, generate ideas, organize information, summarize large amounts of content, and assist us in creating documents and presentations. But AI does not replace our judgment. We remain responsible for reviewing and approving the final result. There are many areas where AI can assist us. These include writing, research, summarizing information, data analysis, planning, presentations, creativity, communication, translation, and organization. We don't have to be technology experts to benefit from these capabilities. The important thing is to identify tasks where AI can save us time and effort. One of the simplest ways to use AI is for writing. AI can help us draft emails, letters, reports, articles, meeting notes, and social media posts. We can provide the basic information and ask AI to organize it into a clear and professional format. We can also ask AI to rewrite something in simpler language, correct grammar, or change the tone. Instead of starting with a blank page, AI can give us a useful first draft that we can review and improve. AI can also help us understand large amounts of information. A long document or article can be summarized into its key points. We can ask AI to explain a complicated subject in simple language, identify important points, or organize information into a list or table. This can be particularly useful when we need to understand a subject quickly. However, for important research, we should always check the information against reliable sources. AI can also assist with data. Given a suitable data set, AI tools can help identify patterns, summarize information, create charts, and explain what the data appears to show. For example, a spreadsheet containing monthly expenses could be analyzed to identify spending patterns and major categories. AI can therefore help turn raw data into useful information. But important financial or business decisions should not be based solely on AI output. The results should always be checked. Planning. AI can help us prepare to-do lists, schedules, travel plans, study plans, project plans, and meeting agendas. We can provide our requirements and constraints and ask AI to organize them into a practical plan. If our circumstances change, we can ask AI to revise the plan. This can save considerable time when dealing with tasks that require organization. AI can also be a valuable creative assistant. It can help us develop ideas for presentations, create an outline, suggest titles, prepare slide content, and even generate images. It can also help with stories, articles, videos, scripts, and other creative projects. AI does not have to replace our creativity. Instead, we can use it as a source of ideas and inspiration while keeping our own judgment and personal style. Communication is another area where AI can be extremely useful. AI can help translate text between languages, improve grammar, simplify complicated writing, and draft replies to messages. This can make communication easier for people who speak different languages. For example, we can write something in English and ask AI to translate it into Tamil or another language. We can then use a text-to-speech tool to convert the translated text into spoken narration. This makes AI useful not only for writing, but also for multilingual communication and content creation. Let's look at a few practical examples. A student can use AI to summarize study material, understand difficult concepts, and create a study plan. An employee can use AI to draft emails, prepare reports, and organize information. A business owner can use AI to generate content, analyze information, and assist with customer communication. A retired person can use AI to write letters, plan activities, learn new subjects, or explore hobbies. In other words, AI productivity is not limited to the workplace. AI can be useful to almost everyone. To get the best results from AI, remember a few simple principles. Be clear about what you want. Provide enough context. Use the right AI tool for the task. Review and refine the response. Verify important information. And most importantly, avoid sharing sensitive or confidential information unless you understand how the AI service handles your data. AI should be used as an assistant, not as a substitute for our own judgment. Let's summarize. AI can help us write, research, summarize, analyze, plan, communicate, and create. It can reduce repetitive work and save valuable time. It can also help us explore ideas and learn new things. But the best results come when human intelligence and artificial intelligence work together. Let AI handle some of the routine work, while we provide the experience, creativity, judgment, and final decision. Work smarter, save time, and focus on what really matters.